give you guys some insight on what I'm doing here. So I'm gonna actually be building a wall right there. Up there, I'm also gonna have one coming out, but I'm gonna have to do it in steps because that is over 4 feet tall, and just gonna kind of incorporate all the drainage together. But you know, it's gonna look worse before it looks better. Hopefully maybe I can fit in here with this dang thing. Probably needs transmission fluid. Needs a new transmission is what it needs. Bench load action here. Waiting for my buddy that borrowed my skid loader to bring that back. He's gonna bring it over here actually, rather than over to the shop, which is awesome, which saves me a trip, and I can start loading this out, getting this all moved, and yeah. Fun. That truck's dry weight is like 11,000 and its gross is 26. So you can actually fit like 7 ton in that thing. Something like that, I don't know. I never put more than like 5. Now this is just going 100 feet over to my little dump site, which is right over there somewhere. You guys will see. So I take a few loads. I had a guy that actually wanted to come take this fill. Said he was gonna take it yesterday, and then said, "Oh, I'll have to get it now." And, well, too late, pal. he wanted it for somewhere on a girlfriend's farm or something. I don't know. But I don't have time to wait for other people. It's a very much, if you want it now. Come get it, or it's gone. I'm sure there'll be other opportunities where I'll have a fill for them. Hopefully that will come out of here and I'll get hung up. Put in there strategically so it will come out. I'm gonna fill this thing pretty good because I'm only going 100 feet and it's all on my property, so. Taking advantage of these 40, 50 degree days in February, man. You don't get that too often up here. So while the snow's not flying, which it's supposed to on Monday or Tuesday now, I'm taking advantage of doing dirt work around my house. Retaining walls that need to be put in. Plus it'll make it look a lot prettier. I'll bet there's 2 or 3 loads here. I bet 3. And I'm gonna fill them high too. Like I'm not really messing around. I bought new in 2021 and I freaking love this thing, dude. It does everything and more that I could ever ask for. If you ask me, it is the perfect size compact excavator. It's got plenty of power for what it is. I didn't even rent it, other contractors rented it. What the hell was that? Yanmar. A Yanmar, I don't know, it was like a 14, 16,000 pound machine, somewhere in there. I would have rather taken this over that. This is an 8,000, I think 8,300 operating weight pound machine. I would have dug a pool with this rather than that Yanmar any day of the week. I feel like I probably could have done it faster with this. I mean, this doesn't really justify anything. This is all loose dirt that I dug out yesterday. But, I don't know. I'm a cat guy when it comes to excavators. It's just, it's what I like, and it's all personal preference. Let me be clear, I would never go down the road with something this heavy or this high. Oh, my head's itchy. This is what you call a jag. the other day. Always something. All right, let's take this load. Ugh. I'm getting there. Oh, I can feel it. This is heavy. Hope this isn't too muddy for me to try to get up. I have enough weight. I think I'll be all right. Transmission is loud. Let's just dump it here. That in. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. We might be stuck. We are stuck. That's interesting. I don't think there's a diff lock on this either. What if we put this down? It would give us some weight. Uh-oh. Maybe. Really? With half a load in. We're stuck. 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 What do you say, pal? We're stuck. I'll throw a chain on it, huh? Yeah. You got some mud on you, huh? Whoa. Yes, sir. This way, if something goes wrong, it's on film. Let me get you. That should be good. Yeah. All I could think, because I was looking back at this tire spinning, I was like, this thing's gonna catch and fucking...
Yeah. That thing doesn't like stay out of gear, huh? Just sits there and grinds.
There's like probably no transmission fluid in it.
Oh, good. Good. That's what you need.
Yeah. Check out the new headlights though, they're fucking sick. Yeah. They actually, I think they look awesome. Alright, that's pretty much all I have time for today. If you guys like what you saw and you want to see more, go ahead and give me a follow, share this. If you're local here, State College, Pennsylvania, give me a call for a quote on your next project. That's it for now, and I'm going to try to get some more content to you guys and just show a glimpse of what I do every day and the struggles I overcome on a day-to-day basis and how we fix them and what it's like. If you want to see anything, drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see. Yeah.